Hey guys, it's Allie, Dreamy Girl Beauty, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got in my Boxycharm. Okay, I have already started getting into it, but I figured that I will go ahead and show you the products. I want to be able to take it out on camera. Anyway, so obviously I got the Aesthetica P12 brush, and it's very soft. I also got the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Ooh. Matte Lip Gloss from Beauty Creations. And this is in the color Sweetheart. I got another pack of Aesthetica brushes. Open these. There's 3 of them. We got 6 items this month because of Boxycharm's 5th birthday. And this box is supposed to be valued at over $170. And if you're not familiar with the Boxycharm subscription, it is a monthly subscription. You pay $21 a month, and you get 5, sometimes 6, obviously, like this month, products in your box, and they are all full size, which is awesome because a lot of boxes you get deluxe or sample size or whatever, but no, this box you don't. And here's the 3 brushes. This is the angled, I'm guessing like angled eyeliner brush, the slim eyeliner brush, and you get a spoolie. It's a nice spoolie. And this I'm excited about. This is by Pretty Vulgar, and it is a gel eyeliner in Blacklist, and it comes in a pot thing. This is super cute. Like, even if this wasn't a good product, I would totally buy it just because of the packaging. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see inside, but there it is. And oh, I forgot the card. Here's the card. It's called Boxy Bash, and it has all the prices on the back. And then we have, last but not least, the Pure Sculptor. And oh, it has a sticker thing on it. We know it's not used, I guess. Okay, so there, oh, it's being washed out. There's the colors in Originator, Trailblazer, Founder, and Inventor. Now these contour colors look kind of dark for my skin tone, but I will try to work with them today. The palette kind of seems a little bit warm for my skin tone, but it's still pretty, and I like that it has a mirror. This retails, oh, it smells like chocolate, sorry. This retails for $30. Matte lip gloss retails for $10. The Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner, it retails for $24. The Cover FX Blurring Primer retails for $38. The 3 Brush Trio from Aesthetica retails for $45 for this. And then the Aesthetica Face Brush retails for $27. So, pretty awesome. I'm excited. So, like, use is the Cover FX Blurring Primer Base Coat. There's actually a tint to this. I have never used this before, but it comes out like that. And this is supposed to be good for pores, and I already moisturized too, so. Oh my God, my nails are horrific. It feels very smooth on the skin. I'm gonna just put a little bit more down here because I have some texture, and hopefully it'll help with that. I'm getting some acne on my forehead. I'm wearing my daughter's little bobbers. I couldn't find what I would normally use. And for my concealer, I use the CoverGirl Clean in the color Fair, obviously, 'cause I'm white. I am going to use this Aesthetica P12. It's kind of big on the top, so we'll see how that goes under here. And with that, I'm going to use the Tarte Smooth Operator powder, translucent powder. I got this in my Ipsy, and I love it. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna try and use this for my, this could be really dark. Oh God, I'm scared. For my contour. Which one will I use? It's not playing around. I'm gonna go ahead and get my Real Techniques contour brush. It's my fave. And then I can always buff it out if I need to. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be too dark for me. Let me see if I can. Going to blend for, I mean, it's a nice product, like, but it's just too dark. Like both of the colors. Like, I could probably use these for eyeshadows, but not for my not for my contour. Too dark. Okay, those two. Let me see if I can do this compared to those. Like, these are way darker than these are. These would be my normal colors. I'm not bashing this palette or anything. Again, I just wiped it off with my spray cleaner. I'm gonna go in with this. Like, I could use it better for my blush. My contour, because it just is too flimsy for that, I feel. I don't think you can see it on camera, but it makes my blush look really good. That's my kid, so. I'm gonna use my Profusion eyeshadow primer. Glamour palette by Profusion. This color, Trailblazer, because I'm gonna use Originator as my highlight, but I'm gonna go ahead and do Trailblazer as my actual eyeshadow color on the inside. Ooh, that's pretty as an eyeshadow. Even not using it like wet. Now I'm gonna use my finger. Okay, that's it without like just using a brush or whatever. Going with the finger. I'm sorry, I was just flicking the camera off, but that's what finger I chose, so I'm sorry. Well, I like these. Okay. And to go into my outer V, actually, you know what? I'm gonna try this too. Where I have this little bit right here. I'm gonna actually go ahead and I like this color. I mean, usually like these tones would not look good on me, but I'm just saying that they're pretty colors. Like, I just had it. Maybe I'll just use this one. Blend it out. I really like this. And I think I'm gonna drag that darker color down to my This concealer I used did not really do much for my under eyes, but ooh, did you see that? Oh my God. I forgot to do my eyebrows. Anyway, it's pretty, and you can really just stick it wherever you like. I used the Pretty Vulgar. I kind of messed this one up, so I've got to fix that, but see, I closed my eye and it got up here because it didn't dry quick enough, but I think it's a good product. It's very eyeliner brushed into. And this thing works pretty well. My eyelids freaking move around a lot when I'm trying to put. I didn't do it on video because I tend to like cuss when I'm doing my eyeliner. Okay, anyway, so the last product that I'm gonna do, because this video is turning out to be like super long, is this Beauty Creations matte liquid lipstick. So it is pretty. Ooh, it smells good too. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, make sure you hit the little bell icon. It lets you know whenever I upload videos. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.